Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. You have to start by put your headphones inside the charging case, and after that you should press and hold connectional button for at least 10 seconds. Here we go, we saw a red flashing. Now close the case. Click on information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now open the case and it should automatically enter to a pairing mode, but if it doesn't, press and hold the connectional button for at least 3 seconds. We can see our headphones, so click on it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!